Ready for today's new letter quiz? Let's go! Now it's time for the letter S. S says S. Spot the pictures that start with the letter S. Yes, here they are. Soap, saw, and sun. Great job! S is for sandwich. Now, choose your sandwich. So yummy! So funny! S is for strawberry. Can you find the different S? Where are you, cute little S? Ah, there you are! Remember all the pictures carefully. They all start with the letter S. Now, where is the matching snake? Yes, there it is! Great job! Now, where is the second sink? It's right here! Well done! And finally, where is the matching star? There it is! Excellent work! Would you rather swing on the swing or slide down the slide? Both words, swing and slide, start with the letter S. So fun, right? Match the shadow with the right school supply. It starts with the letter S. Yes, that's right. It's a scissor. Which word starts with S? Is it ladybug, bee, or spider? Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes. Yes, it's the word spider. It starts with the letter S. Time for our memory challenge. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, where is the letter S hiding? Do you remember? Yes, it's hiding behind spot number 3. Great job, little geniuses! You did amazing today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye!